So now we're going to go over the concepts of average velocity versus instantaneous velocity. Average velocity is something that you might be used to, where we can say that the average velocity is equal to the change in position divided by the change in time. And here you'll notice I'm using this triangle. This means the change in. And so if I were to write these out as variables, we can call the position, we'll call that S, and we'll call it time T. So the change in position over the change in time. Or if we write this out, the final position minus the initial position divided by the final time minus the initial time. And if we're given a function s of t, we could say that the average velocity is equal to the function s of our start time plus the change in time minus the position s at the initial time divided by the change in time. And so what you might notice is this is our final position. This is our initial position. And this, final time minus the initial time, that's just delta t. So let's do a quick example. Let's say that I'm in LA and I need to get to San Diego, California. And that distance is 100 miles. And I make the journey and time is equal to 2 hours. If I were to compute my average velocity, I would say that this is equal to my final position, which is 100 miles, minus my initial position, which is 0 miles, divided by the change in time, which is 2 hours. And so I would say that my average velocity is equal to 50 miles per hour.